Given the bullish forecast for Bitcoin and the historical price trend showing consistent upward movement, I recommend a long-term investment strategy. The entry price should be around $80,300, which is the current price point. This allows us to capitalize on the predicted price surge. The stop loss can be set at $75,900, providing a buffer against potential short-term market fluctuations. The target price should be $97,800, a conservative estimate based on the forecast, which offers a healthy potential return. This strategy aims to capitalize on the long-term upward trend of Bitcoin, leveraging the positive price predictions. By entering a long position at the current price and setting a stop loss below the recent support level, we minimize risk while maximizing potential gains. The target price is set at a level that reflects the bullish forecast, offering a substantial return on investment. This strategy is suitable for investors with a long-term horizon and a high risk tolerance. Given the price trends and forecast for Ethereum, a moderately aggressive investment strategy would focus on a medium-term approach to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum. The historical prices demonstrate a clear upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near the support level of $2,961.23. The forecast suggests Ethereum could rise from its current price to around $3,440, with the resistance level at $3,370.85. This indicates a bullish outlook in the medium term, making a long position the most suitable strategy to capitalize on the potential for a price increase. For a moderately aggressive medium-term investment strategy, an entry price of $3,180 would be ideal, aligning with the recent price action and the lower end of the forecast range. The stop loss should be set at $3,050 to protect against any unexpected price decline. The target price should be set at $3,400, slightly below the forecasted highest price, allowing you to take profits before the market potentially faces resistance at $3,370.85. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated upward move in Ethereum. Given the price trends and forecast for Ripple, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices show a clear upward trend, with the price recently breaking above key resistance levels. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching $0.782 within the next week. However, the price also appears to be overbought in the short term, making a short-term investment risky. A medium-term approach allows us to capitalize on the potential for continued growth while mitigating some of the short-term volatility. Therefore, an investment strategy for Ripple should involve a long position, with an entry price around $0.69, aligning with the current price and near the recent resistance level. The stop loss should be set at $0.6416, the support level, to protect against a potential price reversal. The target price should be $0.782, the highest forecast price, allowing you to maximize potential profits from the anticipated upward movement. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capture the long-term growth potential of Ripple while minimizing exposure to short-term fluctuations. Given the price trends and forecast for Solana, a moderately aggressive investment strategy would focus on a short to medium-term approach to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum. The historical prices show a consistent upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near its forecast and above the support level of $198.78. The resistance is at $222.1, indicating that there is still room for upward movement. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on this potential. An ideal entry price would be around $211, aligning with the forecast and providing a solid foundation for potential gains. The stop loss should be set at $200 to protect against unexpected price declines. Target price should be set at $220, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated upward movement, while leaving room for potential further growth. Given the provided data for Cardano, a a medium-term investment strategy focusing on a long position appears most suitable. The historical price data shows a consistent upward trend, with recent price fluctuations around the support level of $0.4436. The forecast prices suggest continued growth, with a projected peak around $0.632 in the coming weeks. This positive outlook, coupled with historical price behavior, indicates a favorable environment for a long-term investment. To implement this strategy, an entry price around $0.500 would be advisable, allowing you to buy in before the potential price surge towards the resistance level. A stop-loss order at $0.450 would protect your investment in case of an unexpected price drop. The target price could be set at $0.620, aiming to capitalize on the projected price increase and exit before the potential pullback near the resistance level. This approach balances risk and reward, allowing you to participate in the potential upside of Cardano while mitigating potential losses. The provided data for SUI coin suggests a bullish trend with a consistent upward price movement over the past 2 weeks. The forecast further supports this optimism, projecting continued price growth in the coming week. Considering this positive outlook and the potential for significant gains, a long-term investment strategy is recommended. This approach allows you to capitalize on the sustained upward momentum of SUI coin. An ideal entry point for this long-term investment would be around $3.00, aligning with the projected price increase and providing a buffer above the recent price action. A stop loss should be placed at $2.75 to protect against unforeseen market reversals, while a target price of $3.50, based on the optimistic forecast, would allow for substantial profits. This strategy allows you to participate in the potential growth of SUI coin while mitigating risk through a well-defined stop loss and a realistic target price. Based on the provided Filecoin price data, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price shows a clear upward trend, indicating a bullish sentiment. The forecast prices also suggest continued growth, with the price expected to reach around $4.22 in the coming week. The support price at $3.987 provides a safety net, while the resistance at $4.415 presents a potential ceiling for the near future. Therefore, a long position in Filecoin is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An entry price around $4.05, slightly above the current price and below the resistance, would allow for potential profit as the price moves towards the forecast levels. Setting a stop loss at $3.987, slightly below the support price, would help mitigate risk. A target price of $4.22, aligning with the highest forecast price, would provide a reasonable profit goal. This strategy capitalizes on the bullish sentiment and anticipated price growth while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided information for Theta network, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. The historical price data shows a fluctuating trend with periods of both growth and decline. Forecast price suggests a continued upward movement over the next week, reaching around $1.47. However, the resistance level at $1.554 indicates a potential ceiling for this upward momentum in the short term. Therefore, a long position in Theta network is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An entry price of $1.35, aligning with the forecast and below the current price, allows for potential profit as the price moves towards the resistance. The stop loss should be set at $1.325, just below the support price, to mitigate risk. The target price could be set at $1.46, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated upward movement before potentially encountering resistance. This strategy balances the potential for growth with a reasonable risk profile, suitable for a medium-term investment approach. Based on the provided Dogwifhat price history and forecast, a short-term bullish investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals an overall upward trend, with recent fluctuations suggesting a potential for further growth. The forecast predicts continued price appreciation over the coming weeks, reaching levels significantly higher than the current price. Considering these factors, a long position on Dogwifhat is recommended. An optimal entry price would be around $2.75, aligning with the current price and providing room for potential upside. A stop-loss order should be placed at $2.47, slightly below the recent support level. To mitigate risk, the target price can be set at $3.89, reflecting the highest projected price in the forecast, allowing for substantial profit potential. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated bullish momentum, while managing risk through a well-defined stop-loss. Based on the provided information for Stellar, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals a generally upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $0.10, $0.13 range. The forecast price suggests continued upward momentum, reaching up to $0.148 within the next week. This positive outlook, coupled with the support price at $0.1023, indicates a relatively safe entry point. Therefore, a long position in Stellar is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An ideal entry price would be around $0.108, aligning with the current price and providing a buffer above the support level. The stop loss should be set at $0.1023, the support price, to limit potential losses. The target price can be set at $0.146, slightly below the highest forecast price, allowing for a healthy profit margin while leaving room for further potential price appreciation. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward trend while managing risk effectively. Based on the provided price information for Starknet, a short-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data shows a general upward trend, but the recent price movement has been relatively volatile. Forecast indicates continued upward momentum, with prices expected to reach around $0.494 in the coming week. However, the resistance price of $0.4881 suggests that this upward movement may face some resistance. Therefore, a long position is recommended, aiming to capitalize on the potential price increase towards the forecast price of $0.494. An entry price of $0.465 could be considered, allowing for a buffer below the current price. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.450 to minimize potential losses if the price declines unexpectedly. The target price should be set at $0.490, providing a reasonable profit margin while staying below the resistance level. This strategy balances risk and reward, taking advantage of the expected upward trend while protecting against potential price reversals. Given the price trends and forecast for PENDLE, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation near the support level of $4.928. Forecast indicates continued upward momentum, projecting prices to reach $5.67 within the next week. This suggests a potential for further gains in the medium term. A long position is recommended to capitalize on this anticipated price increase. A conservative entry price of $5.20 aligns with the current price and provides a buffer below the recent resistance level. The stop loss should be set at $4.95 to protect against potential downside movements. The target price could be set at $5.70, aiming to capture a significant portion of the projected price increase. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing for potential profit while mitigating losses in case the market takes an unexpected turn. Given the price trends and forecast for render, an investment strategy focused on a short-term approach appears promising. The historical prices show a consistent upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near its forecast and close to the support level of $5.529. The resistance is at $7.185, indicating potential for further upward movement. In this scenario, a long position is advisable to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. For an aggressive short-term investment strategy, an entry price of $6.2, aligned with the forecast, would be ideal. A stop-loss order should be placed at $5.8 to mitigate risk in case of an unexpected price reversal. The target price should be set at $7.1, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential price appreciation before reaching the resistance level. This strategy leverages the positive price momentum indicated by both historical data and the forecast, aiming for a quick and profitable trade. VeChain's recent price history shows a fluctuating trend with a slight upward bias. While the forecast suggests a continued upward movement, the price action remains somewhat uncertain. Considering the short-term price forecast and the relatively close proximity to the support price, a short-term bullish strategy appears promising. We can enter a long position at the current market price, around $0.0259, with a stop-loss order placed slightly below the recent support level at $0.0255. This will help mitigate potential downside risk. The target price should be set at $0.02672, which is the nearest resistance level. This strategy aims to capitalize on the anticipated price increase towards the resistance level, while managing risk through a well-defined stop-loss order. Remember that this is just a suggested strategy based on the provided information, and should not be considered financial advice. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, consider your risk tolerance, and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Based on the provided information for Binance Coin, a short-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable. The forecast suggests a slight upward movement, with prices predicted to hover around the $620 range. However, the historical price data shows a recent peak at $660, indicating a potential for a pullback. This, coupled with the resistance level at $660.79, suggests that the current price might be nearing its short-term peak. Therefore, a short position could be considered, aiming to capitalize on this potential pullback. An entry price around $625, close to the current price and the support level of $606.3, would be ideal. The stop loss should be placed slightly above the recent high at $630 to limit potential losses. Target price could be set at $608, aiming for a profit before the price reaches the support level. This strategy allows for a relatively quick trade, taking advantage of short-term price fluctuations while mitigating risk. Given the price trends and forecast for Conflux, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices show a fluctuating trend with a slight upward bias, while the forecast suggests a slight increase in the coming week. This indicates a period of consolidation and potential for sideways movement. The support price at $0.1536 provides a potential buying opportunity if the price dips, while the resistance at $0.1824 presents a potential selling point if the price rallies. Therefore, a long position is recommended with an entry price around $0.155, aiming to capitalize on the potential upward movement towards the resistance level. The stop loss should be set at $0.153, below the support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.17, allowing for a moderate profit while staying within the expected range of price movement. This strategy allows for potential gains while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss and a conservative target price. Based on the provided price history and forecast for Worldcoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. The historical prices show a general upward trend, but with some recent volatility. The forecast indicates a continued upward trajectory, suggesting potential for growth in the medium term. A long position in Worldcoin is recommended. A suitable entry price would be around $2.25, aligning with the forecasted price increase. The stop loss should be set at $2.10, below the support price, to mitigate potential downside risk. The target price could be set at $2.50, aiming to capitalize on the resistance level and the forecasted price increase. This strategy allows for potential profits while managing risk within a medium-term investment horizon. Based on the provided information for Avalanche, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals a generally upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $30–$35 price range. The forecast predicts continued growth, reaching $35 by the end of the week. This suggests potential for further gains in the coming weeks. The support price at $29.02 acts as a solid foundation, while the resistance at $35.81 indicates the potential ceiling for the immediate upward movement. Therefore, an aggressive investment strategy would involve entering a long position at the current price around $30. $3, with a stop loss set slightly below the support price at $29. This minimizes risk while allowing for significant upside potential. Target price should be set at $35.81, aiming to capture the full projected upward movement. This approach capitalizes on the positive price momentum and forecast, while managing risk effectively. Given the price trends and forecast for Jupiter, a medium-term investment strategy focusing on a long position appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward movement, with the current price hovering near the support level of $1.1101. The forecast predicts a stable increase in price, reaching $1.16 over the next week. This suggests that Jupiter is likely to continue its upward trajectory in the near future. Therefore, an aggressive medium-term investment strategy would involve entering a long position at $1.12, slightly above the current price and the support level. The stop loss should be set at $1.10 to protect against potential downward movements. The target price could be set at $1.20, aligning with the resistance level and allowing for significant profit potential if the price continues its upward trend. This strategy capitalizes on the bullish momentum and forecast for Jupiter, aiming for a moderate return within a relatively short time frame. Based on the provided data for EOS, a bullish investment strategy is recommended. The historical price data reveals a clear upward trend, with recent price surges above previous resistance levels. The forecast price suggests continued growth, reaching upwards of $0.607 in the coming week. This positive momentum, coupled with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.5441, presents a favorable entry point for a long position. Therefore, an aggressive short-term investment strategy would involve entering a long position at the current price of around $0.548. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.5441 to minimize potential losses if the price retraces. The target price could be set at $0.5825, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price increase towards the resistance level. This strategy leverages the positive price trends and forecast, seeking to profit from the potential upside movement in EOS. The TRON price history shows a recent downward trend, but the forecast suggests a potential upward reversal. The current price is near the support level of $0.1695, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Given the historical price fluctuations, and the forecast suggesting a price increase towards $0.193, a long-term investment strategy appears promising. Therefore, I recommend a long position on TRON. An ideal entry price would be around $0.1695, aligning with the support level. To manage risk, set a stop loss at $0.165, slightly below the recent lows. The target price could be set at $0.191, aligning with the forecast and allowing for potential profit before a potential pullback. This strategy capitalizes on the potential for TRON to regain its upward momentum in the medium to long term. Given the price trends and forecast for SE, a medium-term investment strategy appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $0.45 mark. The forecast suggests continued growth, with prices potentially reaching $0.465 in the coming week. The support price at $0.4386 provides a safety net, while the resistance at $0.513 indicates the potential for further upward movement. Therefore, a long position in SE is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An entry price of $0.45 aligns with the current price and the forecast, allowing you to capitalize on potential price appreciation. A stop loss at $0.4386 safeguards against unexpected price drops, while a target price of $0.483 offers a realistic profit target. Considering the recent price history and the potential for continued growth, this strategy allows you to participate in the anticipated upward trend of SE, while managing risk effectively. Based on the provided Shiba Inu data, a bullish investment strategy is recommended. The 2-week price history demonstrates a fluctuating trend, but the recent upward movement, coupled with the positive forecast, suggests potential for further growth. The forecast prices indicate a steady increase over the next week, culminating in a potential price of $0.000286. This upward trajectory, combined with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.000192, presents an opportunity for investors seeking short to medium term gains. Therefore, an investment strategy involving a long position is advised. A suitable entry price would be around $0.000025, slightly above the current price and below the immediate resistance. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.000192, just below the support level, to limit potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.000280, aligning with the highest forecast price and providing a reasonable profit margin. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated price increase while managing risk through a well-defined stop-loss. Based on the provided price data and forecast for Dogecoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices show a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $0.35 mark. The forecast predicts continued growth, reaching $0.484 within the next week. This suggests a bullish outlook for Dogecoin in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended. An entry price of $0.36, slightly above the current price and below the immediate forecast, would be ideal. A stop loss at $0.335, just below the first forecast price, would mitigate potential downside risk. The target price should be set at $0.48, aiming to capture a significant portion of the forecasted upward movement. This strategy allows for potential gains while managing risk within a defined time frame. First, and based on the provided price history and forecast for Hooked Protocol, a short-term investment strategy appears to be most suitable. While the price has shown recent fluctuations, the forecast suggests a slight downward trend. Given the current price hovering near the resistance level of $0.4044 and the support level of $0.3856, a short position could capitalize on a potential pullback towards the support. Therefore, an aggressive investment strategy would involve entering a short position at the current market price of around $0.39. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.4044, the resistance level, to limit potential losses if the price unexpectedly surges. The target price for this short position would be set at $0.3856, the support level, aiming to profit from a decline in price. This strategy focuses on capitalizing on the short-term price fluctuations and aims to exit the position before any potential upward reversal. Given the provided price information for Aevo, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. While the historical price data shows some volatility, the recent upward trend coupled with the forecast suggesting continued growth in the coming week makes a bullish case. The support price at $0.3454 acts as a solid foundation, indicating potential buying opportunities if the price dips. Therefore, a long position is recommended. An entry price around $0.348, slightly above the support price, allows for a potential entry point while minimizing risk. A stop loss at $0.345, just below the support level, safeguards against sudden price drops. The target price should be set at $0.399, the recent resistance level, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum. This strategy balances risk and reward, seeking to profit from the projected price increase over the medium term, while mitigating potential losses. Based on the provided coin price history and forecast, a short-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices show fluctuations, but generally trend upwards, reaching a recent high of $0.00787. However, the forecast suggests a slight pullback in the coming week, with prices potentially dipping below the current level. This indicates a potential window to capitalize on a short-term price correction. Therefore, an aggressive short-term strategy would involve opening a short position at the current price of around $0.00733. The stop loss should be placed at $0.00759, above the recent high and the first resistance level, to limit potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.00685, aligning with the lowest point in the forecast, allowing for a modest profit if the price correction materializes. This strategy leverages the anticipated short-term price movement while managing risk through a defined stop loss. Given the price trends and forecast for Sun Coin, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate an overall upward trend, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation. Forecast indicates continued upward momentum, with prices projected to reach around $0.022. The support price of $0.02005 provides a solid foundation for potential buying opportunities, while the resistance at $0.02146 presents a target for profit taking. Therefore, a long position in Sun Coin is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An ideal entry price would be around $0.0205, close to the support level, allowing you to capitalize on any upward price movement. The stop loss should be placed at $0.0200 to minimize potential losses. The target price should be set at $0.0215, aiming to capture a significant portion of the projected price increase. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing you to participate in the potential upside of Sun Coin while protecting your investment from significant drawdowns. Based on the provided P price data, a short-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a fluctuating trend with an overall upward trajectory. The forecast suggests continued growth, with prices projected to reach $0.0000211 within the next week. Considering the current price of $0.0000130, this presents a potential for profit within a short time frame. Therefore, an aggressive strategy would involve entering a long position at the current price of $0.0000130. A stop loss order should be placed at $0.0000120 to mitigate risk in case of an unexpected price dip. The target price could be set at $0.0000150, aiming to capitalize on the projected price increase. This strategy allows for potential profit within a week while minimizing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided information about Sun Coin, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. The historical price data shows a general upward trend, with recent price fluctuations indicating potential volatility. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices projected to reach around $5.49 in the coming week. Considering this outlook, a long position in Sun Coin is recommended. An entry price around $5.25 would allow for a comfortable margin below the current market price, while a stop-loss order at $5.182 would protect against significant downside risks. The target price should be set at $5.5, aiming to capture the projected price increase and capitalize on the potential for further growth within the medium term. Given the price trends and forecast for Bitcoin Cash, a moderately aggressive investment strategy would focus on a short-term to medium-term approach. The historical prices show a generally upward trajectory, although with some recent volatility. The current price is hovering near its recent high, and the forecast suggests continued upward momentum. However, the resistance level is relatively close, indicating a potential for a pullback or consolidation before further gains. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on the potential for a price increase towards the resistance level. An ideal entry price would be around $435, aligning with the forecasted price and allowing for some room for price fluctuation. A stop loss should be set at $420 to protect against a sudden drop in price. Target price should be set at $460, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upside before reaching the resistance level. This strategy balances the potential for high returns with a reasonable level of risk, making it suitable for a moderately aggressive investor with a short to medium-term investment horizon. Given the price trends and forecast for Chainlink, a medium-term investment strategy focusing on a long position appears promising. The historical prices show a consistent upward trajectory, with the current price hovering around the support level of $12.62. The forecast suggests a stable price range between $13 and $13 for the next week, indicating a lack of significant downward pressure. However, the resistance level at $14.8 suggests there is potential for further upside movement in the medium term. Therefore, a long position in Chainlink at an entry price of $13.10 would be a suitable strategy. The stop loss should be set at $12.65 to protect against a potential price drop below the support level. The target price could be set at $14.60, allowing for a potential profit of approximately $11. While staying below the resistance level. This strategy capitalizes on the potential for Chainlink to continue its upward trend in the medium term, while managing risk effectively. Given the price trends and forecast for Polkadot, a moderately aggressive investment strategy would focus on a short-term approach to take advantage of the upward momentum. The historical prices show a consistent upward trajectory, with the current price near its forecast and close to the support level of $4.814. The resistance is at $5.701, indicating that there is still some room for upward movement. In this scenario, a long position is advisable to capitalize on the potential for a price increase towards the resistance level. An entry price of $4.95 aligns with the forecasted price and offers a good entry point. The stop loss should be set at $4.82, slightly below the support level. To protect against any unexpected price decline, the target price should be set at $5.55, allowing you to take profits before the market hits major resistance at $5.701. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capitalize on the upward price movement while mitigating potential losses. Given the price trends and forecast for Near Protocol, a medium-term investment strategy focusing on a long position appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $5.058 support level. The forecast suggests continued upward movement, with prices potentially reaching $5.4 by the end of the period. This indicates a bullish outlook for Near Protocol in the medium term. Therefore, a suitable investment strategy would be to enter a long position at the current price of approximately $5.16. The stop loss should be set at $5.058, just below the support level, to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $5.35, aligning with the forecast and allowing for a healthy profit margin. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward momentum of Near Protocol while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided data for stacks, a bullish investment strategy appears to be the most promising. The 2-week price history demonstrates a general upward trend, with the price fluctuating around a support level of $1.926. The forecast price indicates continued growth, suggesting that stacks is likely to move towards its resistance level of $2.22. Therefore, an investment strategy could involve entering a long position at the current price, which is slightly below the forecast price. A stop-loss order could be placed below the support level at $1.926 to limit potential losses. Target price could be set at $2.222. The resistance level, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. This strategy aligns with the short to medium-term investment perspective, allowing for potential gains as stacks progresses towards its resistance level. Based on the historical price data and the forecast for Aptos, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. Price history shows a general upward trend, with recent price fluctuations indicating consolidation. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, reaching $12 within the next week. This indicates a bullish outlook for Aptos in the medium term. Considering this, a long position on Aptos is recommended. An entry price of $10.38, slightly above the current price and the support level, allows for a potential entry point at a favorable price. A stop loss at $9.71, the recent swing low, protects against potential downside risks. The target price should be set at $13.7, the resistance level, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. This strategy allows for potential profit while managing risk effectively in the medium term. Based on the provided Litecoin price information, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data shows a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $75 level. The forecast predicts continued growth, reaching $78 within the next week. This suggests a bullish outlook for Litecoin in the short to medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended. An aggressive entry price could be around $75.50, slightly above the current price and close to the resistance level. A stop loss should be placed at $73.999, the support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $80.05, the resistance level, allowing for a potential profit of approximately $5. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward momentum, while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Given the price trends and forecast for Uniswap, cautious investment strategy would focus on a medium-term approach. The historical prices show a period of growth followed by a recent slight decline, with the current price hovering near its support level of $8.146. The forecast suggests a slight dip in the coming weeks, but it remains relatively stable around the current price range. This indicates a potential consolidation phase before a potential upward move. Therefore, a long position is advisable for a medium-term investment strategy. An entry price of $8.30 would allow you to buy in at a slightly higher level than the current price, providing some buffer against immediate downward pressure. The stop loss should be set at $8.15 to protect against a significant drop below the support level. The target price should be set at $9.10, aiming for a gain of approximately $10 within a time frame of several weeks. This approach allows for potential profit while mitigating risk during a period of market consolidation. Given the Bittensor price history and forecast, a medium-term investment strategy appears suitable. The historical price data demonstrates a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the support price of $498.4. The forecast suggests a continued upward movement, with prices potentially reaching $554 in the coming weeks. This indicates a bullish outlook for Bittensor in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential price increase. An entry price of $510, slightly below the current price, allows for a margin of safety while still benefiting from the upward trend. The stop loss should be set at $498.4, the support price, to limit potential losses. The target price should be set at $554, aligning with the highest forecast price, allowing for a significant profit potential. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capture the anticipated price appreciation of Bittensor over the medium term. Based on the provided Internet Computer Price data, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a fluctuating trend with both upward and downward movements. Forecast suggests a gradual increase in price over the coming week, reaching around $8.64. This upward momentum, coupled with a support price of $8.335, indicates a favorable environment for a long position. Therefore, I recommend entering a long position at the current price of around $8.51. The stop loss should be set at $8.335 to protect against potential downside risks. The target price can be set at $9.48, aligning with the recent resistance level and allowing for a substantial profit margin. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated price increase while mitigating potential losses. Given the price trends and forecast for Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, a moderate-term investment strategy appears most suitable. While the historical prices demonstrate fluctuations, the forecast suggests a gradual decline in the coming week. The current price is situated near the resistance level, indicating potential for a pullback. Therefore, a short position is recommended to capitalize on this anticipated decline. An entry price of $1.30 aligns with the forecast and offers a reasonable entry point. The stop loss should be set at $1.35 to protect against unexpected upward movements. The target price can be set at $1.25, anticipating a moderate decline towards the support level. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to profit from the short-term price correction while mitigating potential losses. The provided historical price data for Optimism shows a fluctuating trend, with recent prices hovering around $1.60. The forecast indicates a slight upward movement over the next week, suggesting a potential for a bullish trend. Considering the support price of $1.582 and the resistance price of $1.672, a short-term investment strategy focusing on the long side seems promising. An entry price of $1.60, aligned with the current price in the forecast, would allow for potential profit capture as the price potentially rises towards the resistance level. A stop loss placed at $1.582, just below the support price, would mitigate downside risk. The target price could be set at $1.672, the resistance level, aiming to maximize potential returns. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward momentum while managing risk effectively. First, Ethereum Classic's price history shows a fluctuating trend with a general upward direction. The recent price increase, coupled with the forecast indicating stable prices around $22, suggests a potential for continued growth in the short to medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this upward momentum. Based on this analysis, an aggressive investment strategy would involve entering a long position at $1.50, slightly below the current price, to allow for a potential dip before the upward trend resumes. The stop loss should be placed at $20.41, the support price, to limit potential losses. The target price can be set at $24.33, the resistance price, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upside. This strategy aims to leverage the positive price trends and forecast for Ethereum Classic, while managing risk effectively. Based on the provided data for Ethereum name service, a cautious investment strategy suggests a short-term position with a focus on potential price fluctuations. The historical price data reveals a fluctuating trend with periods of both upward and downward movement, while the forecast indicates a slight decline in price over the coming week. The support price at $16.33 acts as a potential floor, limiting downside risk. Given this context, a long position with an entry price around $16.50 offers a potential opportunity to capitalize on any upward movement towards the resistance price of $17.98. The stop loss should be set at $16.20 to mitigate potential losses if the price drops below the support level. The target price could be set at $17.70, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upward movement before reaching the resistance. Based on the provided price information for Solana name service, a short-term bearish investment strategy appears to be the most suitable. The historical price data reveals a downward trend over the past 2 weeks, with the forecast projecting further declines. The forecast indicates that Solana name service could potentially drop from its current levels to around $0.199 in the coming week. This downward trend aligns with the fact that the price is currently trading below its resistance level of $0.2318, suggesting a lack of strong upward momentum. Therefore, an aggressive short-term investment strategy would involve entering a short position at the current market price, with a stop loss set slightly above the recent high of $0.248 to minimize potential losses from unexpected price surges. The target price should be set at $0.205, aiming to capitalize on the projected decline, while staying below the critical support level of $0.1975. This strategy allows for potential profit from the anticipated downward movement in Solana name services price within the short term. Based on the provided Aevo price information, a cautious yet potentially profitable investment strategy emerges. The 2-week price history demonstrates a volatile but generally upward trend, with recent price fluctuations suggesting a potential consolidation phase. The forecast indicates a slight dip in the coming week, which aligns with the support price of $170.39. This suggests a short-term pullback before a potential rebound. Considering this, a long position with a medium-term investment perspective appears suitable. An ideal entry point would be around $172, slightly above the support level and near the projected lowest price in the forecast. A stop loss order at $170 would protect against unexpected downward movements, while a target price of $180, aligning with the historical resistance level, could capture potential gains as the price rebounds. This strategy allows for a moderate risk-reward profile, capitalizing on the expected price consolidation and potential upward momentum in the medium term. First, and based on the provided price history and forecast for Injective, a short-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data shows a recent upward trend, with the current price hovering near the support level of $23.05. The forecast suggests a potential consolidation phase with prices fluctuating around $23, $24. Therefore, a bullish position could be considered, aiming to capitalize on any upward price movement towards the resistance level of $26.72. An entry price of $23.50, slightly above the current support, would allow for a potential profit target of $25.50, while a stop-loss order placed at $22.50 would mitigate risk in case of an unexpected downward price movement. This short-term strategy focuses on capturing a quick profit within a relatively short time frame, taking advantage of the anticipated price consolidation and potential upward movement. Based on the provided price data and forecast for Polygon, a short-term investment strategy focusing on a long position appears to be the most suitable. The historical price data shows an upward trend, and the forecast indicates continued price growth in the coming week. While the support price is at $0.3652 and the resistance is at $0.3844, the current price is positioned close to the support level, suggesting potential for a price surge toward the resistance. Therefore, an aggressive short-term investment strategy could involve entering a long position at the current price, around $0.375. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.3652 to limit potential losses if the price unexpectedly drops below the support level. The target price could be set at $0.3844, the resistance level, aiming to capture the potential price increase. This strategy capitalizes on the bullish outlook for Polygon in the short term while managing risk through a well-defined stop-loss order.